You said the AFCON final so not drama and no day papa. Getting to the tail end of the final game no. You name penalty referee Koji Emmanuel fans since be bladed by at a point Senegal for no crack so mobi and you say Sadio Mane intervene or call dressing room I go for a players in the Bama game no assign a so and yen name comedy about the aftermath of the final no a good African football no the image no agree animals and now some penny for so no etinas near when and I say ye different no abono na sa so twebu ho a yetimi adiama no nti call this board no kotenase na take decision no afanu no me no obi anya ne de okọ Senegal coach afansa papitiao and perifo chema 5 official cup matches opening no ontimi ntina bench emfama Senegal chema opening no o Senegal igbo bi da obo football to the highest level na such a crucial game final na ultimate catch players or move free park and so called dressing room there opening no one chase ban pedi and into a on sporting conduct and into 5 official CAF matches ya diamano so ultimate entina bench o wie no and am final no $100,000 as one player a friend say a shake in the eye on 2 matches and na e de emano Ismail Assar on 2 matches Senegal Football Federation no almost so ya there so muntia $300,000 almost say players in technical team ne niema omo no park no so no na efifu he omo ye no omo kotua $300,000 and fama a calf afi ya sign from another $300,000 on here for supporters so omo tena omo supporters no sabi edin sanse hunu no and so our stadium ho and have $15,000 and so for players no cars omu di our park so mu chirima enyebu and so emfama ayagudie no and ntia no so no federation no into $15,000 emfa emma calf okomboro konsua arante fensa Ashraf Hakimi abrante no sina kandema pie no so 2 matches and been for the ball no say ono so N71 suspended and Ismail Sabari ono so enya 3 matches sa brand no na ayala no na at a point or say goalkeeper no you know you can say ne tawo no bibi omti yama no fa Senegal for no assistant goalkeeper no ono so ompene ono by final ne nyama koso ono enyama koso papa ono so 3 matches and your final $100,000 Morocco Football Federation also you say omuntia $200,000 boys you know I'm at a point born no coin here say Senegal for na say kofa bonso boys you know omo bobo no coin sense na be a omo entimi enkofa say yeah Football Federation it na ho ema boys you know eputi have such a behavior no and so agree hufin enti omuntia $200,000 and for my calf and then on find another $100,000 and here for the players and the technical team. Sir Ebra penalty ne ban some baka referee course or sako have any beam Emma Sabem Morocco players in the technical bench na ubia just say Oma invade ho ama just referee onya ho me kra Oma sa de na Oma trauma players in the technical team here no and so we $100,000 and for Emma penny and $15,000 and here for supporters and somewhere game the course no abon say obia to lazy na beto ani eni adom se san de mani na no sabi emwa ayawo kan se no entimi enyina yi eno nti so omo trauma supporters ni yes ano and so $15,000 and omuntua emfa emma aye calf afedi twatwo kra no the protester Morocco for no mujina article 82 and 84 of the regulation the ball Jumedian competition no I'm saying enkaya ekwanya Senegal for no fa so na ewie chom de J trophy no kwan yenji trophy no fenfi omsem no eno de mpanifo se omsomu enyenti that protest no ade a omo akwahye no omo to ade ato baby kra ɛno deɛ ɛntimi ɛnyina nti fines ɛne ban ahodoɔ ɛna ɛkyekyɛ mu nso ɛde ama wei deɛ sɛ ayɛ la spot on anaa.
Yes, I agree to a very, very large extent.
But before we know, GFA president, Nhyira Ketokreku, and so Edina North was your board competition, you know. A busy one. So we should make any chia as an calculated attempt, say, Yamama Morocans and Aji, AFCON. 2, Osho officiating now. As an Abibia air tilted to Moroccans and a referee and the Bamon Biano as a referee or qua. Scholar and Niche bottom. So Uncle Dimamboroku for no. Dedi kind, Nhyira Ket, a can or say, and Yano Queda. Senaka for 4%, Morocco for no, and Ajijumedino at this woman also.
I totally disagree. I mean, there can never be a conspiracy in the leadership that means me inclusive to reward. That would never happen. And I think that I'm just borrowing the words of the president. Every single nation that appeared at the AFCON deserves the opportunity to win. Everybody has to prepare and everybody has to be competitive. Morocco is one of the countries that competed. And truth be told, Morocco were the best performing African nation during the last World Cup. No doubt, they have a very strong team. And therefore, when they are winning games based on merit. I mean, on the ESCO, we have people representing different member associations. I mean, you think Burkina Faso don't want to win? They want to win. You think Nigeria don't want to win? They're on the ESCO. You think Cameroon don't want to win? They're on the ESCO. So forget it. It will never happen.
Okay, enti Nhyira Ket no asenye no kreda na sama no Nigeria no ni adom kobo competition no omo so ukwa ESCO ha omo rep ho di omo gidi enye e be den na CAF as an institution am manipulate system da say oh ade ne yemo ama Morocco entimi nyote sa de ne nyade a ebetimi asi o unofficiating kakra na besma ko su bempa hala brem na yenti no o say referees no mo yade a no mo anyade.
I've always said that referees are human beings. Referees, as human as they are, will make mistakes today, will make mistakes tomorrow, will get things right today, may get things right tomorrow. And therefore, when a referee makes a call, we should always give the referee the benefit of the doubt. That's football. I mean, and it happens everywhere in the world, everywhere, every continent, whether it's Africa, whether it's Europe, whether referees do make good calls, and sometimes they do get it wrong. That's football. And we just have to understand that when certain things happen, we have to take it in our strides. So CAF, per its make and form and shape, will never manipulate any system to favor any member association.
Okay, enti Nhyira Ketokreku and understand community to just say Oko Europa. Omumpo mu bibia ababuama referee officiating anko yi no. Omumpo mi mistakes. Referees ntia se so mi nipa. Nti eden ya omugina park no so no 1 or 2 mistakes bi baba eno nkyere se CAF na show machi se na bi omo so this corner be show mutum na omako enti aya minti we na on sanctions abeba no
you see na make say say oti the way a disciplinary committee yo madwuma se a obeja to me say they've done a very, very good job on a normal course in the finals of the AFCON. And our decisions, are spot on. Which, say, Oba Ghana ha, ye nim dear generally about Emrasem Ewofom.
Okay.
Number 2, yen nipan so ye parking kind bebre. Enti, a lot of analysis you see people do are moral arguments or emotional analysis. And the NAM say, when people do moral arguments or emotional analysis, because they are talking from their emotions, and they tend to believe well, we emotional analysis done. They all catch us say, Masa, ukubuku ni mua. Enye sa net ye unum de ti ameka we unse enoma bebre pa esie in the final. But Rich, do you know what the disciplinary committee will work with? The referees reports and the match commissioners reports. apart from Sahara report in me, no. Bibia enye captured by the referees reports and the match commissioners reports. Now see outside those reports, no. A bad day for the disciplinary committee to even
consider.
That is it. Inti yantias yes ah. Say the disciplinary committee just can't based on hearsay.
Obia from
they've officially sent officials on a game no on be administrative our park so and reports and yedi asamba game no ho yedi and I think you say Rich say Osho verdict na eba here the referees and the match commissioners reports were very, very comprehensive. Because I am say per them share in the final and say if my memory serves me right, I capture every incident bia na what the Bonibeka said the tendency to affect the beauty and the integrity of the game. BBC bia ne what impact on the show yes no was captured in the referee and the match commissioners reports. Deɛ di so CAF MPC ɔdi nkyinwadeɛ bia ɛbɛba sɛ yɛka sɛ suspend obia. Does it translate into World Cup games? And I say a matches bemu and over 7 suspension. And it's always they were emphatic and specific in their ruling and say official CAF games. Inti India Islamasa, Papetiao, Hakimi, Saibari. You know, say the next CAF sanction game for your country, and no, and our best ever suspension. No, but there's out of Subium. So, what shall Hakimi suspension now? Almost a moment 2 matches. Nemo Bakudi suspended. It means, 2 matches no oba service suspension in 1. Bakuno yede we say within 1 year or then to be di na anche ye wo mrani mu a
yes that bakuno board
yeah dia boss say oh no oh ya ye niam ho sem but they believe said the oye any there enye bibia enhu bebre nti 1 match pe should be enough with one of the other one no also suspended. Now Rich, on the volumes of Sikane so Muntiano. $100,000. Now, almost say the beyond the catch say if Uncle Fordin come on Ghana say, oh, say club will be a BB na say F any panaseno say we're finding of 5,000, 2,000. Go for say now 5,000 2,000 here. I've always made the point, say Rich, in the context of fine, it is always defined within the monetary packages of the competition. And so for instance, Tetenani Ghana League, I say Uji League na ebema ebi 300,000 Ghana cedis. Na league na mi boni nyina no. Se me league na yema me 3 billion. Na oye de na say manfa me player bi din engu ni jesi echi. O say ene me mra na me metua say 1 billion. Does it make sense to you?
Scanner.
Enti debiadano fines are in proportion with prize money and monetary packages in the competition. Now unim CAF do not have to go to Senegal or Morocco say mumetia. Competition are here bon.
So you say
you see do be win you know your money $10 million. Do be $7 million. Enti already Senegal almost $10 million or CAF for. Morocco almost $7 million our and in competition say they World Cup and yellow cards near the Rich your book competition here. Before the finance office ever disburses sika into almost deserve say what the organizers do and they say every sanction we there more be a yes we deduct it from source. And it's a necessary guy if anything was say almost 10 million. Rich Sikana everybody will come with a cover letter. Na ya try to so yellow cards amudi red cards amudi fines amanya LBBA na ya try musika do ya tie free mu 10 million na e wo say the mama no na de aka no yeah, they are no mum amamo at the atom account. I think it was a very good decision, sure. And they've done a very good job. And I love the timing.
Okay,
it has been swift.
Yeah,
I think about AFCON 2 weeks more. 2 weeks.
Papa,
send a bear the sanity of the game. No,
okay.
In my opinion, I think it's a very
okay. So they say African leaders have the tendency to defend the wrongs if it will hurt their integrity. Morocco word behind the lines. Okay. Eventually, right now, you know, to assume from 4.5 years basis.
Bema wo Johnson